This program is brought to you by the Reeves Law Firm, www.reevesfirm.com.
Most people want to know, can an on-the-record decision be made without providing the required forms that Social Security provides to you? All right, here's how this plays out. For those of you who are not familiar with what an on-the-record is, what an on-the-record is where basically the Social Security Administration makes the determination that they can make a fully favorable decision based on the evidence that they currently have. It can be an accumulation of your medical records and whatever documents that they require. Now, some of you probably are wondering, because there are times when the Social Security Administration will provide you forms that they need in order to get more information about your case. And you're thinking, do they have to have those forms in order for me to be approved on the record? It's kind of a catch-22, and this is one of the things that I caution people. Remember, when Social Security, let me just back up. The first answer to your question, can they? As an attorney, I'm going to tell you the same response we give all the time. It just depends. The important thing is you've got to ask yourself is, why do they need that form? Here's the problem. You don't know exactly why they need it. Meaning, when they're providing you that form, they're telling you that there's some additional information that they need in order to get a more complete picture of your circumstances. The problem that most people run across is that they assume that the information that Social Security is asking for is already in their record, so they should be able to get it from there anyway. That's the problem. And I always caution people when people get into this groove of saying, well, they've got it already. You don't know what Social Security specifically has. So instead of you taking the assumption that they can figure it out, give them the information they need. Can they make it on the record based on the information they have without the form? Possibly. But why would you sit there and leave it to chance? If they've sent you this form, they need this information. Give them the information that they need. Save yourself the headache. Fill out the form. Stop stressing over the fact that they've given you this form before. Just complete the form. Get it back to them. And more importantly, if you think that that's information that's in your file, contact Social Security. Ask them whether they have those specific records. Because truth be told, there's a good possibility that they may not have those records. And so that might be the reason why they're asking you to complete this form in the first place. Join us next week as we talk about how your changes in your daily activities may affect your Social Security disability case here on Q&A.